Okay, the book talks about, in step 11, detach the two clips at each bumper end of the grill by holding the upper part of the bumper cover while pulling up on the lower bumper. That's confusing, but I want to show you, more importantly, something that you do have to do that the book didn't show really that well, and that is to remove a screw right there. And it bolts in here. It's a 10 millimeter. Once you do that, you're allowed to pull, or you can pull this side out of the clip. Same thing on the other side. This is the screw, and it holds in right there. Once it's removed, it's very easy to pull this out of this side clip. Once you do that, then the whole bumper can be pulled and it'll almost completely drop. And I'll show you that in just a minute.